Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must be signed in with an administrator account. Once you've confirmed that, save any open files because changing security settings can prompt restarts. Open the Start menu and type Settings or Control Panel and press Enter. Once done, go to Network and Internet or System and Security, depending on your OS version, so you can find firewall controls. This step places you precisely where the toggle and advanced options live and reduces risk of opening the wrong panel. You'll now locate Firewall and Network Protection or the Turn Windows Firewall on or off link on some laptops that appears under Windows Security or Windows Defender. Click that and identify which network profile is active, domain, private, or public, because each can have a separate switch. If you only flip one, it won't fully disable protection. Make sure to read the warning prompts. You're disabling inbound protections, so understand that apps may be exposed until you re-enable the firewall. You can now toggle the firewall off for the active network profiles and accept any confirmation dialogues. Do this only when necessary. Once done, verify the change in the Security Center or run a quick command. Net should firewall show all profiles to confirm all profiles read disabled. If the firewall won't turn off, make sure your account has admin rights, reboot and try again, or temporarily disable third-party security software that might be forcing policies. Re-enable protections as soon as troubleshooting completes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.